Hi dear friends, welcome to this channel. So here again we are with a new video for you. So today we have completed about near about 10 parts of the videos in which we have discussed many of the questions, and we have covered near about 400 to 425 questions, and today here again in part 11 we are with some more questions for you, and I hope that you all these questions are being helpful for you to take a quick revision of all the topics. And I would like to say that please subscribe the channel, like the video and share the video. So let's start here with the question which has been asked in the previous video. It was like this: tDNA is transferred into plant cells most likely as which of the following? So it is transferred into the plant cells most likely as which of the following? You have the four options over here. You have to pick up the correct option. The correct answer is, that is C part, single stranded linear molecule. This one is the correct option. Many have answered it correctly. Namely that is Deepak and Jyoti Singh. They have also tried and they have answered it correctly. I appreciate. So let's start with our next questions. We'll continue with the 426 number. 425 questions have already been completed. Please go to the previous videos and take a revision of all the questions. So number one is, which of the Agrobacterium tumefaciens proteins is activated by acetostringone? So which one is activated? That is, the right option is where A. Next, the Agrobacterium tumefaciens where region is positively regulated by which of the following proteins? So this is positively regulated by which of the following proteins? Correct answer is where G. Actually what happens in this case is that acetostringone, it binds to where A protein. So this activates where G, which switches on the other where genes. Next question, 428. The polysaccharides necessary for attachment of Agrobacterium tumefaciens cells to plant cells is encoded by genes present in which of the following? So this is encoded by genes which are present in, the correct answer is bacterial chromosome. Number 429. The most effective fusion treatment for plant protoplast is which of the following? The most effective fusion treatment for the plant protoplast is which of the following? That is PEG combined with high pH and high calcium. Again, all these questions are important, and this question has also been repeatedly asked in the examination. Moving to the next question, that is 430 number. Which of the following is correct about vaccines? So you have the four options. I'll read it. First generation vaccines are obtained by killing or attenuation of the pathogens. This is a correct statement. Second generation vaccines are made up of pure surface antigens of the pathogens. Again a correct statement. Third generation vaccines are made up of DNA molecules. Correct. Recombinant protein vaccines are second generation vaccines. So all the four options are correct in this case. So the correct one is 1, 2, 3 and 4. C part is the correct. Next, 431. IPTG, it is used as an inducer in the T7 expression system for recombinant protein expression in E. coli. This is because of the reason behind why it is used as an inducer in T7 expression system for the expression of the recombinant protein expression in E. coli. The reason behind is because availability of special E. coli cells which have the T7 RNA polymerase gene integrated into their genome under a regulatable promoter. So this A part is the correct option. Rest are not correct. The reason behind. Next question. Pyrosequencing derives its name from the fact that it detects pyrophosphate released during base incorporation. Coming up with the next question, 433 number. Which of the following is the reason that geneticists use mitochondrial DNA to study the relatedness of animal populations? So the correct option is mitochondrial DNA mutates at slower than the nuclear DNA. No. Mitochondrial DNA transmitted from mother to child is free from recombination. So the correct option is B part. This is the reason that geneticists use mitochondrial DNA to study the relatedness of animal populations, because it is transmitted from mother to child and is free of recombination. Number 34. Lyophilization is a method used for prevention of microbes because moisture is removed by sublimation. This one is the correct option. Number 35. The main difference between domain and motif in protein structure is, the main difference between a domain and a motif in case of protein structure, that is, domain can remain stable, independent of the rest of the protein, while motif cannot. So the motif, it cannot remain stable, independent, that is in the case of the domain, it can remain stable and independent of the rest of the protein. Number 436. Which of the following statements is correct? So you have the four options over here. All the virulence genes of Agrobacterium tumefaciens are expressed in a constitutive manner. No. Opines are a source of iron for Agrobacterium cells. No. One Agrobacterium cell can generate only one tDNA molecule for transfer into host cells. No. So D part is the correct, that is, integration of tDNA in the genome can mutate or modulate endogenous plant genes. D part is the correct one. Number 437. Which of the following techniques cannot be used to remove salt from a protein solution? So which can't be used to remove the salt from a protein solution? We have the four options over here. The correct is, we have to pick up which cannot be used. I am repeating these lines timely in my videos because you have to read the question carefully. Don't rush to the answers. So only a word can change the meaning of the sentence. So the correct option is this, that is the ion exchange chromatography. Next, 438 number. Callus mediated regeneration is not preferred for micropropagation because, so the reason behind this is, it takes longer time for regeneration. Plant regeneration is problematic due to poor organogenesis. Yes, this one is the correct. It leads to generation of variants. This is the reason that callus mediated regeneration is not preferred. Next question. In a transgenic plant, the phenomenon of co-suppression is due to transgene integration within the endogenous gene. No. Transgene integration at a locus very close to the endogenous gene. No. Similarity between the transgene and the endogenous gene sequences. So the correct option is the C part. This one is the correct one. Next, 440 number. In inbred lines, gene and genotypic frequencies are maintained by growing them in isolation, followed by, this is followed by, in inbred lines, gene and genotypic frequencies are maintained by growing them in isolation, followed by, this is followed by self-pollination, no. This is followed by random mating without selection. Next number, homozygous plants from biparental mating for development of mapping populations can be obtained in short time by, they can be obtained in a short time by development of recombinant inbred lines, no. Development of double haploids, this one is the correct B part. Next, which of the following is not required for QTL analysis in association mapping? So in case of association mapping, what is not required for the QTL analysis? The correct option is phenotypic data for multi-location trials, polymorphic markers, genetic linkage map. This is not required, that is the genetic linkage map, rest the three things are required. Question number 443. Which of the following hormones promote production of seedless grapes? So which hormone it promotes the production of the seedless grapes? The correct answer is GA3. This one is the correct one. Next, coming up with the next question. ABA, that is the abscisic acid, it is related to which of the following? So ABA, it is related to dormancy as well as abscission of leaves. So D part is the correct one. Next, 45 number. Transgenic potato plants with high amylose charge were developed by, how? Suppression of starch branching enzymes. A itself is the correct one. Coming up with the next question. For development of selection marker, free transgenic plants by co-transformation using agrobacterium, the marker genes are. So the marker genes, that is for development of selection marker free transgenic plants by co-transformation and by using agrobacterium, the marker genes, they are segregated out in T1 generation, the correct option. 47 number. Breakdown of Bt mediated insect resistance in crops can be delayed by, so the breakdown of the Bt mediated insect resistance in crops, this can be delayed by refugia strategy. This one is the correct option. Next, coming up with the next question. Which one of the following would produce androgenic haploids in anther culture? So how these androgenic haploids, they are produced in the anther culture? That is young microscopes. Number 49. Male sterility in plants is induced by expression of the TA29 Barnase PA cassette in. So all these questions related to Barnase vasta, they are also very important. Repeatedly they have been asked in the examination. So the correct option is tapetum. Last question. The anti-cancer drug Helicondrin D is associated with, so this is associated with the sponges. Dear friends, we have a question for you also today also. In the same manner, you have to answer it in the comment box, and the answer to this question will be provided in the next video. So the question follows as this. Which of one of the following is not a feature of Agrobacterium vir E gene? So which is not a feature? You have the four options. That is, A is its synthesis is induced by Virgil protein. B, it contains a nuclear or localization signal. C, it protects tDNA from being destroyed by plant defense mechanism. and D is it is a component of T-pilars. So you have the 4 options over here. Please pick up the correct one and try to solve this question and provide the answer in the comment box, and in the next video we'll be discussing its answer. So dear friends, thank you so much for watching this video, and I would like to say that please subscribe the channels. Again and again I am repeating it because you'll get all the latest updates, all the questions which are being asked in the examination. These all videos will help you to take a quick